Welcome back to Surprisingly Geeky.
Hi everybody, I'm trying to not die.
Yeah.
I'm not doing well.
No, you died like 3 times on this channel.
I hate time challenges. Where like I can go fast when I'm allowed to take my time, but as soon as I have to rush, I'm like, ah.
Yeah.
Especially all these lasers. I mean, what's with the laser propellers? Why have all of these things? Damn it! Ah, 25, fucking 23.
Yeah, we got one more left.
Eh.
And there you go.
Ah. Damn it. I don't remember doing this at all.
Yeah. I remember actually the map of the level.
Yeah.
Like when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, this level, because I thought the idea was really neat, but I don't remember this specific part.
Yeah.
I probably will now, though.
You'll remember it?
Maybe.
Aw.
Cool. You know what we didn't do while we were away?
What did we not do?
We didn't have donaires.
Oh, we didn't! I don't know if anybody... Do they have donaires in the States? If anybody in the States is watching, I would like to know if you guys have donaires. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you don't have donaires. They're this yummy kind of wrap thing that's got meat in it and a special sauce.
Yeah.
With tomatoes and onions, although I don't like mine with onions.
Interesting.
I don't know, it looks like it's got arms.
It does. Oh, it's a code bot.
Code bot?
Awesome. What does his code?
I don't know.
Can I plug him in and he'll write programs for me? He's not here. Wait. On your backpack, one of them is white.
What?
Backpack? Oh, that must just be the one that you have selected.
Yeah. I have no idea what that was for.
Well, go to your other gadget menu.
Do I have another gadget
Yeah. Quick select?
No, the quick select just lets me change this.
Huh.
You know, maybe I wasn't paying attention to one of the cutscenes. I probably need it somewhere along the level. Awesome then. Oh. Boop, boop, boop.
See, eventually, I would really like to have like a green screen behind us,
Oh yeah.
and then we could like cut ourselves out, and we could just be in the corner of the video like a newscast
That's kind of
sort
cool.
of thing, you know?
Sure. You guys can totally see my awesome art that I have up behind me by various friends and
Agencies.
some of them are just people that I found and commissioned on TV art. I know of them. I'm not entirely sure they know of me, sort of deal.
Well, yeah. They might not know your art, but they know you because you gave them money.
Wow!
Get them to draw something for you.
Woohoo!
So wait, actually, no, most of these people should know your art then, because otherwise they wouldn't have the reference to draw your characters.
Well, I mean,
And you can't actually see them. In
yeah, it's too bad we're
video
talking
anyway.
about it and you can't see the awesome things. Can you move the camera up and maybe show those things?
I don't think it really. You can see it a little better. but it's not exactly the best.
You can check out all those people if you find LunarDawn on DeviantArt.
I doubt that I'll remember, but we
Mm-hmm.
should put like a small link to some of them in the description of this video.
Oh, that would be a good idea.
I don't think I'll actually remember to do it, but
There are robots here. Close the door! Door's got a problem.
you know we should have gotten
What?
chips.
Oh, chips! I want a soda. Had like 4 today. It's bad. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Bad, guys, when you're addicted to soda. That sugary, bubbly goodness.
Delicious lead blood.
Totally. Plus, I'm always thirsty at the end of the day when I've worked a morning shift.
I'm always thirsty like all the time. When I drink. Well,
You're always sipping on something.
yeah. I drink a lot of water, then I want to correct myself because I only really drink a lot of water when there's nothing else to drink.
Ah, shit.
I have these water bottles, and I can go through like 3 or 4 of them in a day.
As long as there's no soda available.
Yeah, if there's soda, this goes out the window.
It's like, too bad, water. We have a new friend. Oh. Speaking of soda.
You want me to get you soda?
You're probably down an entire can. Yeah.
Alright. I shall return. See, don't find nothing.
Holly, get me a soda!
Saw that the other day. I was going through my Facebook photos. And I saw it and I
Yeah, you should post that then on the Twitter. Not this, well, you could on the Twitter, but on the Facebook feed. So people know what the heck I am talking about. These robots are looking at me like, who this new guy be, yo? Thank you.
You're welcome. It sounded like dogs.
Oh man.
Oh, they're robot dogs.
I got dogs and I got guys.
Those dogs are mad.
Seriously, like, that's quite the thing.
So bring out your little friends.
That's what I was just thinking. Holy work. Awesome! Bolts, Debbie. Very cool. Don't die! Don't die!
You already saw it.
Oh. Did you see him flipping out?
Yeah.
Holy jeez. I have my old roommate to blame, I think, for my Pepsi addiction. Zachary, I blame you. You know who you are.
whether anybody else does or not. It doesn't matter.
I don't care.
Mine is from my dad.
You're dead?
My dad?
You guys always had soda in the house, though.
Exactly. Because my dad used it as a replacement for alcohol.
Wow.
Kind of. Why are these dogs so mad?
I don't know. Why won't that door close?
Is there a bullet behind it? Oh, this doesn't new at all.
No, because it's sent me back to the beginning. Yeah, growing up, I mean, at one point, like when I became a teen, soda became a regular thing in the house. It was usually diet, though. Oh, I could easily have made that. Hey, how you doing?
Buddy. How you doing? See you around, guys.
And the fun ensues. Look at the motor. Whew. Oh, it's just a quick fire. There we go.
Maybe definitely.
Alright. Very nice. Now there's a guy behind this door, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Open the door. Say hi. Boom! The monster's inside!
It's probably too powerful. That's why I didn't put them in the other games.
You kind of get variations of them in other games.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the Mr. Zircon was kind of a variation of this.
I feel like he's one of the variations of that little mouse guy.
Mouse guy?
Yeah, it's like a little mouse guy we get in the game. Like
Oh, the sand mice.
Yeah.
Ew.
So that's acid and just so you know.
Ooh. I guess the lasers will shred me into little bits.
And then the acid will burn up some of the wood.
Alright. For destruction. Okay. Let's put this on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of nice. Okay. We're gonna do the exact thing. Close door.
That is this episode of Surprisingly Geeky.
Hey guys.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Woohoo!